Santa Maria Bay Islands. Guys, I'm very surprised na nakakita ko ng banana. Alam nyo naman na banana is only in the Philippines. And I wanna get some. So hinog na siya. It's 1 piece only, babe. So it's ready to eat. It's yummy, babe.
Yeah, it's very sweet.
It's very sweet.
Because it's apple fig.
What do you call that one?
Apple fig.
Apple pig. In French. Give it to Orion, maybe she wants.
Oh, yeah. Tu veux goûter?
I thought only in the Philippines because you know even in Middle East the manufacturer of the babe in the Philippines in Dubai you can have the banana, it's all the way from Philippines.
Et c'est les plus sucrés, on appelle ça les pommes figues.